To begin, open the phone app on your iPhone. Next, tap the Calls tab at the bottom to view your recent incoming, outgoing, and missed calls. Find the missed call you want to be reminded about, and make sure it's marked as missed in your recent call history. Then, simply swipe left on that missed call. Now tap the Reminder button from the available options. You will now see several reminder options such as Remind me in 1 hour, tonight, tomorrow, or Remind me later if you want to select a specific date and time. Tap the option that works best for you. Your iPhone will automatically create a reminder for that missed call, and you'll see it at the top of your call list under Reminders. When the selected time arrives, you'll receive a notification reminding you to call the person back. You can also create multiple reminders for different missed calls if needed. This feature helps you stay organized and ensures you never forget to return important phone calls, even during a busy day. To delete any of these reminders, swipe left on the missed call and tap on the Reminder button. From the menu that appears, tap Mark as completed. And the reminder will be removed from your active reminders list. So that's how you can use the missed call reminder feature on your iPhone.